The internationally leading tool manufacturer Einhell stands for cordless power. And now, with its PXC battery system, it takes on the ultimate challenge, an official Guinness World Records attempt.
3, 2, 1, start!
Can one PXC battery really power more than 300 tools? Team Einhell is ready to prove it. Workshop, garden, home, every tool back to back. No breaks, no mistakes, and the clock is ticking. From jigsaws to hammer drills to compressors, one battery fits them all. One battery, one team, one world record.